Kia ora guys, it's Brent here from the ToolShed. Today we're going to have a look at changing the chuck on your cordless drill. I've got my XHD cordless hammer drill here. It's a little bit beat up because I put it through the paces. Now it's easier than you think, so let's get started. So the first step is to open the chuck drawers fully and check to see if there is a chuck screw inside. Grab a screwdriver or use your impact driver to remove it. Got an impact driver right here. Now remember, it's a left-hand thread, so turn the screw clockwise. Right, so step 2 is we've got to crack the chuck off the mount because it can get quite tight on the mount after a bit of use. So we do this by grabbing a 12mm hex key and tighten the chuck onto the hex key and give it a whack with a hammer. Once it's cracked, we can wind the chuck off. So step number 3, now we can replace the chuck. Most 13mm drills come with a 1/2 inch by 20 UNF mount. It's pretty universal. We have a replacement ToolShed heavy duty 13mm chuck available at the ToolShed for the job. This chuck is a standard thread, so we just screw it back on clockwise. Right up until it's tight, and then replace the chuck screw. Now you're all done. The ToolShed has a range of replacement chucks with different mounts. Check out the link below. If you need to replace your chuck, get down to the ToolShed, Kiwi owned, trusted by tradies.